joined Keller Williams because I heard this is where entrepreneurs thrive with their business. We have built a brand, my husband and I, that we're very proud of and we want full control over. In 2020, I increased my digital presence through the formation of a website and through search engine optimization. I drew a lot of out-of-town buyers with high net worth, and we haven't looked back since. I am so excited to expand our brand with Keller Williams. I know that I will have full control over my logos and how I advertise, and actually learning all of the tools through Keller Williams Command. There's so many things that we can utilize to help build our brand. I know that Keller Williams is going to give me the tools to get there.